the day. This is what I worked on. You can't really see anything because it's hidden, but took this box. There's a wire in there, and then I fished. Luckily there was these holes. I fished a wire from there, from that blank plate over to right there for a plug-in. So that was what I worked on the beginning of the day, because the awning that's going here, they ordered a left side awning and the power was on the right side, so I just fished that in, and that's what I did at the beginning of the day. Alright guys, in the last part of the day, which was most of the day, worked on the outside lights on the building, and as you recall, I thought they were going to be a nightmare a couple days ago, but they're actually turning out to be pretty decent. As long as you follow the steps, it's not too bad. Just got to make sure that they're straight and straight, level, tied into the wall, or anchored to the wall, solid, and then yeah, just make sure they're straight. Once you hang it, you just gotta level the light out, make sure it looks good. So there's actually a little bit of play in the lights, so it's not too bad. You can actually just bump it with the rubber part of your hammer, the handle, and turns out pretty nice. So definitely 100 times better than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know what this guy's doing, but okay, whatever, dude. So yeah, so actually I've learned a few things this week. One, things are not always as complicated as you may think. A lot of the time, if you don't think about it and you just do the work, it's not too bad. If you think it's going to be a nightmare, you just make a big deal in your head about it, it's just going to cause you a lot more stress. So a lot of the time it's not as bad as you think. So that's one of the things. And the other thing I learned is try to think of all the possibilities of what could happen and what kind of tools that you need, what kind of tools you need for the job. So it'll just streamline the project, make it go quicker. Like earlier in the week, if I had the laser, it would have made things a lot faster, but I didn't think about that till a day or two after. So just try to remember that, just try to know that the tools that you're going to need to make the job quicker, that'll save time, and yeah, I think that was it. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up my first week at my new company. Hopefully they don't hate me too bad, and if they got any complaints, hopefully they'll tell me, so I can do better, whatever it may be. So hopefully they like me so far, but we may not know, because a lot of things are always left unsaid, so hopefully that's a good thing. And so overall, I'm in a good mood right now, and I think the first week went all right. Haven't had a good day today, just hanging the lights and fishing in that plug. So yeah. So with that being said, hope you guys have a great 3-day weekend. I'm definitely looking forward to it. Probably the most hours I've worked in about 4 years, I'm not sure. The last time I worked this much, I think, was in 2015 when I was working on a movie theater that they were running behind on, and we had to get it done. So it was either that or I don't know, there's another job site before, but it's been a really long time. At my last company, I worked about 45 hours when I started, just because I had the choice to work overtime, and I want to get a little bit extra money, but yeah, I haven't really worked past that since 2015, so definitely feel it a little bit, but not too bad. So hopefully I can go to the office and turn in the rest of my paperwork, and I have some plans for the weekend, which should be good. So hope you guys have a great 3-day weekend. Like I said, I will catch you guys later. Make sure to drop it a like. It would greatly help me out, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. If you want to see some more content, post daily work videos, and so probably not a video on Monday from work, but I'll try to get you guys a video regardless about something on Monday. I think someone wanted the video about the 7-year money thing or something, so I'll try to go over that maybe for Monday. Hope you guys have a good one. I will see you guys later. Thanks for all the support. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.